Quick description and preparation. In this activity, students match sentences from a song to images with speech bubbles, explain their choices, listen to the song and order the sentences. Make a slide with the 3 sentences you got from the song you've chosen for the activity. Use Phraseit.net to choose 3 funny photos and make speech bubbles easily. See a quick tutorial at the end of this video. Make a second slide with the 3 photos. Number them 1 to 3. Also include the 3 sentences, A, B and C, somewhere on the slide. See example in Step 3. Step 1. 5 minutes. Ask your students to tell you what makes a good song. Is it the rhythm, the singer, band or the message? Ask students to share their opinions, and ask them to tell you their favorite songs, and why they like them. Step 2. 7 minutes. Tell your students that you are going to show them 3 sentences from a song. Show the slide with the 3 sentences. Check if students know the vocabulary. Tell students that these are sentences from the lyrics of a song. See if any student recognizes it, but don't expect them to. Step 3. 3 minutes. Show the slide with the 3 pictures with speech bubbles. Have some students describe the pictures. Step 4. 7 minutes. In pairs, breakout rooms. If you are teaching online, the students match the sentences and the people. They have to come up with an explanation to why the person, or animal, is thinking that in 15 to 20 words. Step 5. 10 minutes. The pairs share their ideas, and explain why the people are thinking that. Step 6. 10 minutes. Tell students you're going to play the song. Their task is to put the sentences in the order they hear them. Play the song twice. Ask students to write their answers in the chat box. If you're teaching online. Step 7. Suggested activity. You can prepare a lyrics worksheet with the song for students to do some kind of exercise with the lyrics. See the link for an example activity in the video description. Now, here's a quick tutorial to use Phraseit.net. This song-based lesson plan idea is sure to spice up your classes. However, would you like to think, feel and act more creatively on your own to be able to turn any song you want into an engaging lesson plan? The ebook 10 Song Activity Ideas for ELT has more time-saving ideas that do the heavy work so you can focus on the most important, inspiring and motivating your students to learn creatively. See the link in the video description to access the ebook on promotional price.